Yo, got another package. This one's from Prick. So if you don't know Prick, it's a brand by the homie Jason the Boy. It's known for its iconic hole in the deck. And if you've been scrolling Instagram, I'm sure you've come across a clip or two of this mysterious deck with the hole. So I decided I had to pick one up. Here's the molds. I got the Hush, which is the low mold, and I got the Loop Shape, which is basically a popsicle. I am super excited to have this. Okay, so it comes with a sheet of grip with a hole in it already, but I'll be using my own grip, and I have an idea how I'll make the hole, and I'll definitely show you guys as well, just in case you guys decide to pick one up. So off the rip, in hand, the deck feels really lightweight. Great craftsmanship as well. I'm gonna be running the Joy-Cold Light 3.0s in white. Raw hanger, red base plate dynamics, apathy bushings in white, G sheets on top. Here's the hole, super clean. And here's the method for making the hole. Just grab a pen, make sure it fits the hole snug, poke a hole through the grip, twist. And there you go, you get a clean hole every time. Okay, so the combination of the deck being light, dynamic trucks being light, and Joy-Cold Light 3.0s being light, this deck feels really good. Easy to do your tricks without the deck weighing you down. The proportions of the deck is also perfect. It's a perfect 26 millimeter, and it's the perfect length as well. For sure, check out Prick, especially if you like the hole. It's definitely something different, and it's definitely made for performance. If you do decide to grab one, I hope my little trick for the hole helps you out. And hey, make sure you don't get anything stuck in your hole. Shout out to Prick, shout out to Jason. Catch you guys next time, peace.